Wall-mounted solar lighting. Solar lighting has joined heating and electrical production as popular solar platforms. Wall-mounted solar lighting is a particular niche product that people are turning to in droves. Wall-mounted solar lighting. Solar lighting is the new way to light up your home and property. While you have many choices to illuminate your house, the most economical and ecologically sound way is to use solar power. Even if you don't want to use solar power to run your entire home, you can still help lower your energy costs and use less non-renewable resources by using wall-mounted solar lighting. When choosing solar lighting for your home, you have a few options. Electric lights may seem like the logical choice, but they can require other modifications to the outside of your house. You may need to run wires or extension cords so that you can power these lights, and your electric bill will increase. Battery-powered lighting doesn't need cords, but they can be more expensive and time-consuming to maintain. Wall-mounted solar lighting is an excellent choice for the homeowner who doesn't want to have to hassle with wires or expense, or go through the trouble of having to constantly take care of the equipment. The solar cells built into solar lighting products are strong enough to obtain a charge even on cloudy days, though that charge may be less than what you would get on a sunny day. The solar cell can obtain enough solar energy on a sunny day to run the wall-mounted lighting for 8 hours at night. Many models also turn on automatically when the sun goes down, making them even better for safety and convenience. The LED bulbs contained within can last for many years without replacement, and using solar energy ensures that your energy bill will not increase. Weather-resistant materials, which are used in most wall-mounted products, also ensure that the lamps will have a long life. If you are choosing wall-mounted solar lighting to beautify your home, or even if you just need them for safety, this is the perfect choice. You can save money while adding value to your home by keeping it lit at night, and you can also feel good about your contribution to helping the environment. Even a small use of solar power cuts down on our dependence on fossil fuels and other resources, so choosing this type of lighting should make you feel good. If nothing else, it will also cut your electric bill, and every little bit helps these days.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.